Unboxing time ng pasalubong ni Mommy Kat at Katie, tara panoorin natin. Pati Team KKK excited na.
Ito na guys! Ang bigat-bigat nito! Yung pasalubong ni Chiki tsaka ni Katie. Tao po! Hi guys! Special delivery!
Wow!
Ang daming pasalubong mo, Katie.
One box!
And syempre si Chiki.
Thank you!
Morning, mga my love!
Yes!
Today we are unboxing.
Oh my God!
One
Wow!
is Katie's unicorn jacket. Kasi
Wow! Pakita mo, show mo na.
I know she
show,
loves
show,
unicorns,
show,
so Papa made you a hoodie with the unicorn.
Cute!
And then on the front, it's
Okay.
a cake.
Oh my gosh!
Suotin mo, suotin mo. Look at the brand.
Anong brand?
Tingnan mo. Tingnan mo yung brand.
Ano bang brand? Nasaan ba?
Katie brand.
Katie brand.
Look.
Oh, cute!
So, para may sarili kang merch.
Thank you.
Ang ganda.
May sariling brand na si Katie.
Uy!
Kasya ba?
Uy! Lampas. Ay, thank you, Katie. Ang ganda.
Wow!
Ang cute!
That's
This
from-
is mine.
Thank you, fans. Thank you po, mga my love, sa labubu. It's cute.
Sa akin na lang yung isa, ano?
Ito na lang sa'yo po.
Ayan.
Ang ganda.
This is from Tita Lisa, the one you talked to kanina.
Wow.
Open
Thank
it.
you, Tita Lisa. Wow.
Can I see?
A bracelet. A hair.
Piningahan?
Ayun. I bought that at Siwa.
Wow.
Ito, check.
Ang ganda. Wow, partner kay Katie. Oo nga.
Wow.
Ito.
Pwede pamigay sa ano?
Wow.
Paraffle.
Another labubu.
Mother, tigisa kayo niyan.
Sa akin yung blue.
Give me your armpit, baby.
What's armpit?
Tip? Where's your
Where
tip?
it is.
Ano?
It's okay.
There you go.
Ang ganda.
That's from Tita Lisa.
Thank you, Tita Lisa and Ninong JR. I like it.
Oh, how about this one? Ganda naman.
Ah, ito.
Thank you po.
Ito yung jacket ni Katie.
Ang ganda.
Sukat mo,
Thank
sukat mo.
you.
Ang ganda, ano? Wow.
Kasha ba?
Ang ganda.
Kasyang kasha. You need to perform with it. You're gonna outgrow it soon. Get that little rock star right there, huh?
Cute.
The back, the back, the back.
Ang ganda.
Ito yung, iba? Check,
Pajama.
pwede mong i-ano.
I think this is the
Tabi mo na
pajama. What is that?
This is from one of your fans.
Wow.
Oh my, oh.
Thank you sa nagbigay. I love it.
Oh, bitin mo to, anak, ha? Oh, ganda. Dora.
Check.
Yeah.
Ito.
Wow, thank you for the
Pwede ko po yan.
shoes.
Sa akin ba? Ikitin
Or both
Mama.
of you.
Wow.
Thank you.
Sino ba may binili?
Papa, thank you.
welcome, Nene.
Thank you po.
This is your matching shoes.
Wow.
Yung isa mas malaki.
Yung size nandun. This is a 7.
Ay, this is yours, Katie.
What's mine?
Ito po.
I thought that's mine. Wow, wow.
Kasha?
May gunting dyan. Saan? Saan? Saan yung gunting?
Yung good thing nandito.
Thank you.
You want one too?
Thank you.
Thank you.
This one is from
You?
here, Miss Katrina from Will Malakas of San Diego.
Miss Katrina from Will Malakas of San Diego, California.
Thank you.
Team Puyat plus Abangers of
Isa.
San Diego.
Alcohol cup.
Team Puyat daw and Abangers of San
Okay.
Diego. Hello. Read it, please.
Dear Team KKK, thank you for making us happy OFW by watching your vlogs. I always follow you in FB, YouTube, even at work, Patago, because we have opposite time. I also have a very special daughter, so I know what you've been going through. Chris and Kat, she is our adopted daughter from the Philippines, but she diagnosed her when she
Here
arrived
when she arrived six
6 years ago.
She came at 13 years old. She is now 19 years old and doing fine without my husband. He died of COVID from work hospital 6 years ago. We both work at the hospital here in
Chula Vista.
Anyway, you are doing the right thing. Always support each other for everything and Katie will be fine. Chris, thanks for coming over to SD for a show. OFWs like us away from home needs you to entertain us once in a while.
Aww.
Love, Will Malakas or Armstrong Wilhelm of San Diego.
Hey, thank you
so much.
guys. Okay, now this one, ito check for you. Ito yung telas na sabi ko sa'yo, sobrang lambot.
Pumasok ng lambot. Oh.
Anong...
Da.
Yes po.
What's this? Tela. More.
Wow, kanina to.
Bahala sa inyo. Kung sinong ka. Ayan. Parang tigisa kayo dyan.
Sa akin yung pink po.
Okay po. Thank you.
And then, shorts. More
Shorts.
Katie stuff. Ay, parang terno.
Akin.
This is for your mom.
Wow.
Order ko to. This is my order.
Let's go. I got you.
Yun na nga, may sinasabi ko, di ba?
Eh.
Niluluto ko siya. Chris, magkano yung pinabili ko? I got you.
And then,
Thank you!
Katie.
Sure.
New pants for
Wow.
Katie.
Grabe nung laki na niya, oh. Sa akin ata ito binili mo eh. Kunyari ka pa Katie style mo rin. Bulok
Basta
eh,
sinabi mo
no?
25, kinuha ko
No?
25.
Kunyari kay Katie.
This is
From
from...
Hello Kitty, a gift from your
Loyal fans.
loyal fans from Arizona. Love you always. Lagi ka good girl kay mama at papa mo. Love lots, Mary. Bless you.
Mary and Blessy.
Mary and
Thank
Blessy.
you, Mary and Blessy. Salamat.
Thanks, guys.
Wow, may slime.
And then, chick, more slippers or...
Body wash tayo, guys.
Ah,
Wow.
ito.
Wow, it's a mommy thing talaga yung pinasalubong sa akin.
Oh, I love it. Papa,
Yes.
this is masarap.
You like it?
What?
It's
Ooh, the
thick.
squishy.
Ah.
Oh, the kids love the squishy thing, huh?
Wow, there's a...
Nakakagigil siya. Hindi ko na makukunit. Oh. Uy! Mabakot ka.
And then, look,
Jacket.
for you.
For me?
Try natin. Wow, KL! Oops. Wow.
Wow. Ito pwedeng partner.
Apo.
Ito, chick. Parang cash.
Can I see more? Ganda.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you.
And this one too.
For me.
Wow. Ay, favorite ni Katie.
Pag malamig.
It's mine. It's size 9.
Kasha? Ang 9?
Mama?
Yes.
Speed cat sa States.
Pero isa lang.
Hanapin ko sa isang
Thank you
box.
so much.
And one more.
Grabe dami.
Tchanan!
Grabe ang dami. Ako na nahihilo.
Baka nag-shop all you want na siya
Ay,
eh.
mga nag-shop all you want siya.
Ah, ito yung iba.
Katie, keep on inspiring a lot of people. You are blessed and you are loved by many.
Miss?
Miss Debbie.
Thank you, Miss Debbie.
Thank you, Miss Debbie.
There's more. You have more, Katie.
Wow.
Yung mga nagmamahal sa'yo sa Hawaii.
Hawaii.
Yes. Look, Stitch. Someone gave you flowers. I think there might be a...
Stitch.
Sorry, guys. I forgot who this was from, but thank you.
Thank you.
Oh my God, so
Here. I'll open
cute.
this for Katie.
I wanna open it.
Oh, you want to open it? Okay, she wants to open it. Careful, the staples, okay? Ooh, what's that?
Wow.
Can you show?
I think I see clips here.
Ooh. This is from Tito Rich and Tita Bing.
Aloha, Hawaii. Thank you, Tito Rich and Ate Bing.
More chocolates.
More chocolates. Wow. I never tried this.
Ooh, look at this. Matcha white chocolate.
Matcha white chocolate.
Favorite na ni Katie. Yours. Yours yan, anak. Yours.
This one is for...
Ate Katrina. Love, Charmaine. From Hawaii.
They gave you a Trader Joe's back. This is so hard to get sa States ngayon.
Thank
Trader
you so
Joe's.
much.
Oh, ganun.
May mga
Chocolate.
chocolate. Ate
Chocolate.
Katie. From Ate Charmaine. And
Thank you, Ate Shermin and Ate Chaden.
siya din.
Can I taste one?
Sure. So, Ate Katie din.
There you go. Oh, there's a message under.
Be mine.
Be mine.
You're sweet.
I know.
Sa'yo, Katie, anong kalagay dito sa likod?
Lana.
Love you.
Oh, love you.
And that's it.
Ah, meron pa. Marami pa chocolate. Ay, may bag pa.
Oh, what's that? MK.
First time ko nakakain pieces.
Oh, may pera. I saw a pera.
Tara! Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Sana nag-enjoy kayo sa pasalubong.
Yep, nag-enjoy po. Salamat po. Salamat po sa mga nagpadala din po kay Chris. Oh, sarap!
Sarap.
Para akong ano, yung bata dati. Kasi
Mahilig ka pa rin ba sa ano?
bata lang ako nung nakaka-receive ako ng mga ano yung padala sa US eh. Mga tita-tita, di ba?
Mahilig ka pa rin sa
pinapadala-
ano? Mga animal print?
No,
Not anymore?
not anymore.
Okay.
Bakit may animal print dyan? Tingin nga.
Yeah, pero wag na kasi hindi ka na mahilig.
Patingin lang.
Hindi ka na mahilig.
Patingin lang. Ah,
Gawing accent. Let's say there's like a pocket on your jacket. Just cut out a pocket and then put it there.
cute naman siya.
Di ba? Oh, gusto pala eh.
Oh, cute. Because I'm a Capricorn.
Mga project ko.
Oops, meron pa, meron pa. Kuya, paano na lang labas yung mga basura doon?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Thank
Ayun
you.
pa may box pa.
Babalikan ko po yun.
Opo.
Okay.
Mag-vacuum ka na din bago lumayas ha.
Okay, thank you.
Charot, inutusan.
Meron pa natin.
Wow, meron pa talaga.
So yung isang pajama hindi umabot.
Katie, may
For
cup,
Katie.
oh.
Oh, look.
Palitan ko lang yung top. Mabigat pag
May
marami.
kasamang shorts tsaka.
Wow, sa'yo itong short.
Sa akin.
Oo, para tuwinig kayo ni Katie.
Ito yung pwede kong i-plancha yung Katie brand dito. Tapos dyan sa left chest, Katie.
Ang ganda.
The challenge is, you can't make a face.
Ah, poker face only?
Poker face lang. You ready?
Ready?
Na.
Set, go. Puro ka reaction eh.
Hold up. I'm just trying to make you
Dapat
laugh.
poker face. Stare, ano to game? Wala na. Talo ka na. Tumatawa yung ayos mo, talo ka na. Tumatawa siya. No, talo na talaga.
See you later po. See you later.
See you later.
See you later.